My name is Bonolo, aka Saint Knox, and this is how I turn this image into this one in just few minutes using ChatGPT. Only one prompt. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. And this is one of the reasons why photographers and graphic designers hate AI. First go into Pinterest and look for a reference image. Once you find an image with an editing style and color grade you like to replicate, copy and paste that image into ChatGPT. Then go into an image that you actually want to edit, copy and paste that one into ChatGPT too. Now it's time for you to add a prompt. You can actually copy and paste the prompt from the video description if you want to try it yourself. And while you are down there, please support the sponsor of this video, _world. They are actually running a metric dance makeup and photography promotion. Check out this ad for more details. Support. Alright, back to the video. Once you copied and pasted the prompt, hit enter and boom, your image is edited fast, eh? Now I'm curious, what about you? What do you think about AI? How do you feel about AI tools being used for creative work? Because I've been experimenting with these tools lately and I must say, people from South Africa will tell you what I mean. But anyway, see you on the next one. My name is Knox. Don't forget to subscribe.